Joe here. So today we have a 14 Buick Verano. This goes for multiple years. The bulb is out here. I'm going to show you how to change it or how to access this to remove the assembly. First thing you want to do is open the trunk lid. And then if you look inside here, there's a trim panel. There's little clips that hold it in. You can see there's one here on this side. Put a little screwdriver in there and it will come out. So it's already missing here. Somebody's been in here. And it's not plugged in, so that's why it's out. You can see this wire here. So we plugged that wire in right there and it works. And if you want to change the bulb, sorry about all the movement, you just basically twist these sockets out, twist that one, and the bulb will come out. The socket will come out and you just pull out the bulb. I don't want to do it, but I'm just want to explain it to you real quick. And that's how it's done. So it's real easy. The hardest thing is getting this trim panel off, which is not very difficult. So sorry about the shakiness on this one. Thanks for watching. You can subscribe. I'd appreciate that very much. That's how it's done. Joe Beermaster.